Ever wondered how chow mein travels from a giant factory all the way to your local store? Let's find out. Huge trucks arrive every day, delivering tons of flour needed to make fresh chow mein noodles. Factory experts carefully test the flour to ensure every batch meets strict quality standards. More water and salt are mixed together in enormous machines to create smooth noodle dough. Powerful industrial mixers knead the dough continuously until it reaches the perfect texture. The dough is rolled into large, thin sheets, preparing it for the noodle cutting stage. Special machines slice the dough into thousands of long noodle strands every minute. Fresh noodles travel through the factory on giant conveyor belts for further processing. The noodles enter steaming chambers where heat cooks them to the ideal consistency. Steaming improves texture and helps create the delicious noodles people enjoy every day. After steaming, the noodles are cooled down before moving to the next production stage. Meanwhile, seasoning ingredients are blended together to create the signature chow mein flavor. Quality inspectors examine the noodles closely to ensure every batch is factory approved. Automated weighing systems measure exact portions to maintain consistency in every package. Noodles are transferred into packaging machines that work at incredible speed. Flavor packets are added automatically, so every package contains the complete recipe. The packages are sealed tightly to keep the noodles fresh during transportation. Labels containing product information are printed and attached to each individual pack. Every package passes through a final inspection before leaving the production line. Finished chow mein packs are grouped together and packed into large shipping boxes. Workers stack the boxes onto pallets, preparing them for warehouse storage. Forklifts transport the loaded pallets through the warehouse quickly and efficiently. The pallets are loaded onto delivery trucks, ready to begin their journey. Trucks travel across cities and highways, transporting chow mein to different markets. Finally, the chow mein arrives at stores, ready for customers to purchase and enjoy.